Khubor ka Batisi TV, lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Ka Frank Yamaha ka balong ka company de thuk arshaka hakasantrik bunai risau arjar arpuai kala pelai pai ba ya ka thuk arshaka ka bathamai ya ka badatip kerteng kum ka Yamaha Ray ZR 125 FI hybrid scooter ka deiru ka bala pendai ya bluetooth ka ba ai bonjat ke jingtip bala peni hagani ka thuk yakni ka thuk arshaka bala pelai pai ba harengkat ka jing sakhilang jong territory manager ka India Yamaha Motor Sales Private Limited Urekib Hasan utrai jong ka Frank Yamaha uba Indon lang pasa u public relation manager ka Frank Yamaha uba Arman ki pasa bat kiwe Kador jong kani ka thuk arshaka ka sedang nadu prapo hajar praspa lai potingka ha ka ex showroom bade ka jingtip ka ba companya phila ban lai wa jingtip ha ka slem di thuk jong ka Frank Yamaha ka badan hanong thamai nong shiliang bat phila aru ban telephone ho number khandai hinreu iwe ar khandai pra iwe khandai pra bat khandai hinyo sound note hinyo san lai hinreu.
Thank you for all our customers for supporting Yamaha. So before we begin, I would like to call Mr. Rakib Hussain, our territory manager at Yamaha. So please, I want to present the most superior mileage scooter, the Yamaha Ray ZR 125 FI Hybrid. Equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, which will provide access to plenty of information on the display of your scooter, night call and text alert.
शानदार, दमदार, माइलदार, it's Ray ZR यार.